putting a tinted window in because he's going to put this door on his car, but he wants a tinted window from his car in this door. So he's already taken this out. It just pops out, undo the connection to the power window switch, and remove that screw in there. So just pop out there. He's just taking out all the grommets that are in the sides. Almost ready to pop the trim out. I could have left that on. Just
I was just thinking
pop these off
leave
and take
that connected. Yeah.
Either way, if that works too, it's good to show both ways.
Something else holding it, I guess.
Alright, so that's all it is. Just unclip from there and then take that out. Old mate was trying to get the handle out without having to do those cables. The only thing we're missing was this, the clip on the bottom and on top. Screwdriver, just a flathead screwdriver. Unplug that or unclip that, and out she comes. Alright, so we need to get this window down now so we can get to where the bolts are. So looking at this here, it's either going to come down to here or here and here. So we won't know until the window comes down so we can get to access to that. The only way to do that is by adding power. I've got my battery charger behind me there. And I don't know which wires are what here either, so it's a kind of like a hit and miss, but I'll work it out. Because two of them, that's going up, so switch those two around. There we go, easy as that. So just going to bring it down now to find out where the bolts are to remove this window. That's pressed in there. So it's got to come out from this here. Try not to break anything. Different to what I'm used to. Normally you get down to a certain point and you'll have like bolts holding the arms on with the slider, so you can just remove that. But
That's just a clip. That little red thing behind it is just a clip. It's just a push in.
Yeah, that's what the slider is there. I'm just trying to find where the okay, so that's the only one that doesn't have two on this window, just the one. And it looks like it comes out at about there, I think. Just go back up a little bit. Oh, that's not it there. Actually, I think that's it there, at the end there. We need to get this job done tonight, and I can't stop and start repositioning cameras and whatnot, so I'm just going to have to freeball it. There's no retakes. So what I've worked out so far is it looks like I have to have the window all the way up, take the power window motor out, which will allow me to turn it a little bit to undo that. Then I can drop the window down. Then I've got to remove this arm here, take that out, and actually, first of all, I need to take that trim on the rubber on the other side there out. So I need the window back down. Should be a screw on the end there. Should be there. Okay. Window needs to get down first so I can get that rubber on the other side out. So we'll bring that back down. So the window's going to have to drop down past this point here for this to be able to twist. So the window goes back up. That's red wire and the green wire, if anybody's wondering what wires are controlling our window. Then I'll get this out. Normally I'd use a drill or something, but we started late in the day. Old mate and I both did a long drive yesterday and got to the shop late. Now I'll go slide that back there, which I can. And if I can get you to stop this window slide down for me, so I can just take the motor out. A bit of tape probably wouldn't have hurt there. Holding on to that. Just a standard today. Sometimes some cars have a funny clip on. You've got to lever a little bit of plastic clip up there. So now that's down there. We'll slide the window down all the way. Now I can take this channel out there. Okay. Take that window there out. Yep. Now you've got the room here to get this up past.
This is going to be interesting to put back together.
I'll take the fucking wedding ring off because that's getting in the way. Ta-da! Told you there's an easy way, just got to think through it.
There was nothing easy about any of that.
You don't think so? I don't think that's too hard. Alrighty, well that door can be put aside for now, can't it? Well, we want to use that door. Anyway, that's the window out. Right, we've got another door to pull apart, exactly like we did this here. And the night's getting on. I've still got to do his headlights, wiring up his spotties. And so he's going to get into the other door, do exactly what I did here, and then put it all back together. Because of video purposes, I normally put it back together as well, show those videos, because sometimes people complain that you don't make videos of how it goes back together. In this instance, we need to get the job done. So be mindful how you pull it apart. Hopefully what I did here helps someone out, knows how to pull the windows out, and just reverse, put it back together. Alright, well, appreciate you being here. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers. Yep. You know, hopefully what I did here helps you. Hopefully what we did here helps you, and yeah, and you can. I'm fucked up now. Oh, that's the bad ending, isn't it?
Ta-da!
I can't go any further down. Oh, you're doing a stand-up video.
Oh,
I always do wide angle.
my bad.
That's all, folks.